Hey everybody, Mike checking in here, midday update. So what we're seeing here, daily chart. Second session in a row, this daily mid-band has held in price, and you're seeing some real weakness down as low as 44.2775. Hourly chart, kind of a mirror image of yesterday, opens up, fails at the weekly pivot, opens up, fails at the weekly pivot, can't hold the 20-day, can't hold the 20-day, down through monthly, and we see this. Now you had the last hour pop. Right now we're in the 2 o'clock hour. It's made some lower lows. You can see on the 5-minute chart here. We opened with a little lift up into the area of the weekly pivot, down, and all we basically did was we tried to get long. It didn't work, and we ended up getting short here at 75 area for a nice look down, some profit, and then this slow lift at the top, which sometimes you can call it a bear flag, you can call it, I call it a wedge or whatever, but it is something that in tapes like this, and it was true yesterday, that the bears can take and break to the downside. So we messed around with this little bit, 48 to 52 area on both sides, and what you saw is it seal off in around 55. We ended up getting short in the 51 area for a move down, took some profit, holding runners, got the lower low. I will be curious to see, as long as it stays below our proprietary moving average, you're not going to get an instant replay of yesterday. We were wondering if it was going to do it here. It didn't do it, made a lower low. So for us, it was pretty simple. We had a short, we hung around, we had some chop, with another short, and we've got runners on that, and we're holding that for now, and we'll see where we are, and that's from the 50-51 area, depending on where people got in. So I will be out with an evening webcast tonight. We just got done with an awesome 75-minute deep dive training for our subscribers. We went through entries, how we like to enter trades and re-enter trades, and how we deal with profit management and risk management and stops and mentalities and dealing with the last trade versus the trade that we're in, and a lot of the technical stuff that we like to do in the room. And it was great. It's a great way for everybody to get back on the same page, and for the subscribers that are watching, that'll be up tonight in the members area of the website. Check that out. 75 minutes of a lot of really good stuff. My next training will be this Thursday at noon in the private Facebook group. It'll be on risk management essentials, which we really got into today, and I really want to dive into that on Thursday. That'll be live in the Facebook group, recorded for the members of that group, and that's where it's going to stay. It's not coming out for public consumption. It's a free group to join, so join it. All right, everybody have a fantastic afternoon. Come check out the Facebook group. Come check out the room. We will teach you how to trade this stuff. We will make you a better trader. We will make you a better trader. I'll be out with an evening webcast. Take care, trade them well, and I will talk to you then.